Tonight, we're taking a gentle walk through a quiet town, just as the soft rain begins to fall. The day has ended, and now the world is winding down. The air is cool and clean, touched by the scent of pine and damp stone. Shadows stretch across the old cobblestone streets as warm light spills from windows, glowing like lanterns in the mist. Your footsteps are slow, steady. You feel the soft give of the path beneath your shoes. The streets are quiet now, only the occasional echo of distant laughter or a door quietly closing behind someone heading home. Everything feels hushed, softened by the rhythm of the falling rain. You pass a flower shop with closed shutters, and behind them, the sweet scent of lilies and chamomile still lingers. An old lamppost flickers gently as the drizzle becomes a little steadier. You pull your coat a little tighter, but you're in no hurry. There's no need to rush. Just up ahead, there's a place that's always open for you. As you continue, you hear the creak of a bicycle as someone coasts slowly down a side street, wrapped in a long scarf, a woven basket rattling softly with books or maybe bread. Rain dances on the rooftops. Somewhere nearby, a wind chime sings quietly, not bright, but mellow, as if it too knows how to whisper, and then you see it. A warm glow spills out from tall, rain-speckled windows. A wooden sign sways lightly above the door, its carved letters softened with age. The fern and feather. Books, tea, quiet company. Candles flicker behind the glass, and through the windows you glimpse shelves full of books, plants hanging lazily from ceiling hooks, and people curled into corners with steaming mugs cupped gently in their hands. You reach the door, push it open slowly, and are met with a familiar chime. Warmth surrounds you immediately. You are welcomed not just by temperature, but by presence. A hush that invites you to slow down, to settle in. The air smells of chamomile, cinnamon, old paper, and lemon peel. Behind the counter stands a woman with gentle eyes and a knowing smile. She greets you with a soft nod. "I thought you might come in tonight," she says. "Your usual corner's open." The room is calm. The piano plays quietly in the background. Slow, dreamy, a lullaby woven into the space. A few guests sit quietly. One flips the page of a hardcover. Another scribbles gently into a leather notebook. A sleepy dog rests beneath a table, breathing slow and even. Your corner waits. A deep, warm chair facing the rain-speckled window. A soft blanket folded over the armrest. A teacup already waiting. Steam curling up in slow spirals. On the table, a familiar book. One you've read before, more than once. You lower yourself into the chair. It welcomes you like it always does. Like a memory you didn't know you needed to return to. You pull the blanket over your lap, settle back, and lift the teacup to your lips. It tastes of honey and herbs, calming, floral, and warm. Outside, the rain continues. Inside, you breathe. You open the book. You don't need to start at the beginning. You just let your eyes find a page, a paragraph you remember. You read slowly, not for answers, not even for the story, just for the rhythm. The words feel like the sound of water over smooth stones. like listening to a voice you trust, tell you a story you've already lived. Time begins to melt. The fire in the back crackles gently as another log is placed onto the embers. The flames stretch, settle, and hum softly, their light flickering against the shelves. The woman at the counter dims the lamp slightly. The piano quiets, further still. A bell rings at the door. Someone new enters, then another. They move quietly, respectfully, as though they too understand the peace this place holds. Nobody speaks louder than a whisper. You close the book. You lean back. You let your gaze drift to the window, raindrops running down the glass in long, lazy trails. You listen to the fire, to the rain, to the slow breath of the cafe itself. And then you close your eyes. There is nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to be. You are held in stillness. You are wrapped in warmth. You are allowed to rest. Let your thoughts drift. Let your body grow heavy. Let sleep rise slowly to meet you. You are warm. You are safe. You are home. Good night.